Hi guys, welcome to Short No Life. So in today's video, we're actually going to be using an airbrush machine. This is my very first time using an airbrush machine, so I was very excited. Saviland actually reached out and asked me, did I want to try out their gel nail polish, or airbrush gel nail polish is what it's called. And I'm not sure if this is actual diluted gel nail polish or not. I don't know anything about any of that, but it does say it is free of toxins and anything like that. But I still would suggest you wear a mask if you're going to use it. It was very easy to use, but we'll talk about that in a moment. They also sent over their airbrush machine, and this is how it comes packaged. Here are the instructions. I will say, I wish they included a little bit more in their instructions. I do have to go to YouTube University to figure out some things, but in all honesty, it was so easy to use. I really didn't need any instructions. I kind of figured it out on my own, but when it comes to cleaning it, I'm probably gonna have to find a tutorial. I am a visual learner, so that is the best for me anyway. So it comes with the airbrush pen. As you can see, some of this got a little shaken up in the shipping process, but nothing was broken. Everything came fine. And here's the pen. These cups, I believe this is where you put your solution at, the plastic ones, but I probably won't use these. I'll probably stick to the metal one, which I will show later, but I think they're all the same thing, is that you just put the paint in them. And the bigger cups, I guess if you were doing a bigger project, because you don't have to just use this for nails. You can do so much with the airbrush machine. So this is the airbrush compressor, I believe this is called. You guys, I'm gonna be honest, I could not get this to turn off when I was filming this. That's why I put it to the side. And what actually how to turn it off is just press the button. I was pressing and holding for some reason, but you just press the button. It was so simple. That was the metal cup that you put the solution in. This is your charger for when the airbrush machine goes out and needs more power. Just charge it up and it's good to go. Here are the airbrush colors. I didn't go in depth with showing you the colors because this is a lot. You get a lot for the amount you pay. I really liked how much they gave you. So this is how you open each one up. It is sealed so it does not spill. And then here are the instructions for the airbrush polish. Again, it just, you put it in the light for, I think it says 120 seconds and you're good to go. As I said, you get a lot of colors. First is vibrant orange, lemon yellow, Mediterranean green, vibrant blue, vibrant purple, pinkish purple, fiery red, rose pink, light pink, light nude, white, and black. If you want to check out these products, I will have them down in the description box down below, along with the coupon code if you want to try them out. So I am starting off, these are the colors I chose. When you poke the hole to open it at the top, which that's what you have to do to get the color to come out, you have to use the top with the needle in it to poke a hole in the product so that it can come out. It's going to be messy because it's kind of compacted in there, and then it needs to be, the air needs to be released. So it's going to kind of spew out. So wear gloves when you're opening it. I did want to mention again, this does have to be cured. That means that you want to protect your skin when you're using it. So I would say use some liquid latex, or if you're allergic to latex, you guys know the little apron thing. I can't remember what it's called, but I remember Simply Nail Logical used to always call it an apron. So use the little nail apron to protect your skin. I will be honest and say this was very easy and simple to use. This is the easiest I've ever done an ombre. And I don't know if you could tell, but I did two different types of ombres. I did an ombre nail, and then I tried to do an aura nail, which had the yellow around the edges, and then I did a little bit of orange in the middle. I did do 2 coats of the yellow, but when it came to the orange, I only did like 1 coat. I wasn't trying to have it too vibrant or deep. So that's kind of what you're seeing when you see the nails. Like I said, I did do 2 if you can't tell what I was doing. And I'm sorry, this kind of tutorial went very fast, so if you have any questions, just leave them down below. For me, this was just showing me the potential of what this airbrush machine could do. And for me, I personally like the ombre effect. So you will be seeing me use this very soon. I'm probably going to use it in my next set. So I'll talk more about the airbrush machine. If you have any questions, leave them down below so I can talk about that in the next video when you see it again. But here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you think. Again, I'm just playing around. You will see a better, more comprehensive tutorial coming soon. But guys, thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week. Have a great day, guys. Bye.